If you want to integrate machine learning with Postgres in AWS RDS or even in just simple Postgres database on any virtual machine, then you can use pgvector. By using pgvector, you can simply set up, operate, and scale database for your machine learning enabled applications. The pgvector extension allows you to build ML capabilities into your e-commerce, media, health applications, and more to find similar items within a catalog. For example, a streaming service can use pgvector to provide a list of film recommendations similar to the one you just watched. The pgvector extension is available on all databases in AWS RDS starting from today. AWS RDS for Postgres now supports this pgvector extension to store embeddings from machine learning models in your database and to perform efficient similarity searches. Embeddings are numerical representations or vectors created from generative AI that capture the semantic meaning of text input into a large language model or LLM. pgvector can also store and search embeddings from Amazon Bedrock, Amazon SageMaker, and other upcoming AI services from AWS. pgvector right now is available on PostgreSQL 15.2 and higher in all AWS regions. So if you are using Postgres over 15.2 and you want to integrate your machine learning embeddings into it, then now that feature is available in AWS RDS 2. I hope that you find it interesting. Thanks for listening and watching.